Hey Bonita gang, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for every time I upload some new content. And I know what y'all about to say. Nisha, you being inconsistent again. You know, life be lifing sometimes, and this is my saying at work. But life be lifing sometimes, and it's been lifing on me. So I'm just trying to finish up some work that I need to do for work. But today we are going to be straightening my hair. We're gonna be straightening my hair. So my XR is on a different tripod, like that's not connected to my ring light, because I'm going to be trying to make a TikTok as I'm doing my hair at the same time. So yeah, but okay, but we're about to get ready to blow dry my hair. So if you're new here, let me rewind. I've been natural for about 6-7 years now. I recently just combed out my locks about maybe 2 months, almost 2 months, going on 3 months now. And yeah, if you want to know why I combed out my locks or whatever the case may be, you can go find that video on my channel. But we're going to be trying something new today. So we will be doing a review on the Infinity Pro by Conair, the Knot Doctor. This is similar to the Revlon One Step blow dryer paddle brush, and I had used that before and I absolutely loved it. But because I had locked my hair, I had pretty much either threw away or gave away most of my like hair stuff. So I had to like rebuy this, I had to rebuy a flat iron, and of course like a whole bunch of like curly hair products and stuff. So I was looking at some reviews on this and I saw some very good reviews on it, and I was just like, okay, well, let's try this out and not buy the Revlon brush again. So apparently there's 2 different ways that you can use this. So the actual paddle brush does detach, so you can use it as a regular blow dryer, or you can use it as a paddle brush. Now you can get this at your local Target or like your local CVS, but I think when I saw it on there it was like $40. So I found this on Amazon, and I will link it down in my storefront, because I did find on Amazon for only $22-23, something like that. So if you want to say 20 bucks, I'll link it down below. So let's just open this bad boy up. Alright, so this is the brush attachment. And then this is the actual blow dryer. What else is in here? It's all more plastic. Oh, that's just plastic. Unwrap this baby. Using too much products on my hair. I know when I used to straighten my hair used to be so way down because I will always try to use a lot of products on my hair to make sure that my hair is moisturized. So literally the only thing I'm going to be using on my hair is heat protectant, and it's going to be this Chi Silk Infusion heat protector. I've never used this before, and that's why I got it in the travel size. And this motherfucker was $16. And then the full size was $23. I should have got the full size, but I know I'm not going to be adding too much heat to my hair, so I was just confused. So I'm going to be using that, and I got some croc hair clips. I got these from Ulta. Alright, so what I have realized is that I'm probably going to have to do very small sections. So when I was doing, looking at YouTube about this product, it only said to use a little bit. So I'm going to use a little bit per section. It's probably a seal on the inside, Nisha. Come on now. If it don't have a seal on it, you take it back. See what it smells like. Oh my God, I gotta call for work. Thank you for calling the high. Now my boss forgetting that he had an interview to do. So I'm taking about this much, and I'm trying to film a TikTok at the same time. I don't know how this is gonna work. So this is a section I'm going to be working with. I feel like this one's gonna like, ugh. And no, I did not touch up my color because I didn't want to do too much to my hair, like over process it too much. So I'm just gonna have 3 different colors in my hair, which is my roots, the blonde, and this ginger brownish color in the back. So I did use my hair mayonnaise for a protein, because it's always good to use protein before you straighten your hair so your hair could be super strong. So I did use that. So that was on freaking cool. This is low, and this is high. So we're going to stick with low and see what that does. Because now when my hair really getting like tangled, and I definitely detangled it. Hold on. Not with these single knots. I swear my hair will not be straightened for homecoming. I swear it won't. I will return this back to Amazon. Give me, hold on.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
I mean, it's definitely getting the job done. But honey, I don't like the way it's tugging at my hair. Hold on, because hold on. All right, maybe let's put it on high. Let's put it on high and see what happens. I'm scared to put it on high. Let's put it on high.
difficult. Let more, I don't know.
Alright, so I think I'm gonna have to do some clippings. I don't know if I want to do that after I straighten it or before I straighten it, but probably all of this gotta go. So I really don't know how I feel about this. I don't know if I want to continue, but I'm at least get the back section of my hair done, and I'll come back on camera to let you guys know how I feel about it. So I'll be right back. Okay, hold on, but before I get started on this other side, just look at the freaking shrinkage, bro. Like, look at it. Okay, so the one thing I realized about this: one, yes, you have to use small sections. Two, if you have super kinky curly hair, you have to put it on high, or it won't work. The cool setting does not work. But this is how straight it's getting my hair, which is pretty good. So what I'm doing is, as I'm blow drying each section, I am trimming my ends because I have a lot of single knots. So I am trimming as I'm going along, and this is what my hair is looking like so far. I wish I colored my hair because what the fuck is this? Alright, so I'm gonna keep going. I am almost halfway done, and then once I'm at the top of my hair, I will pop back on camera.
Why you love me, yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't forget that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes you, nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick. I don't wanna slap me up, I think I'm throwing a fit. Right around the world, let me right around talking to me. Oh,
Okay. So this is my hair completely blow dried. I think this is the biggest my hair has ever been in my entire life. And I've had long hair my entire life, but I think this is the thickest that has ever been blow dried. So let's get into this. So she's okay. She's okay. Now, if you're new here, I have type 3B, 3C, and 4A hair. So if you have like, oh, bless me. If you have like 4B or 4C hair, I would just use this with caution, because even with my 3B and 4A hair, like my hair was getting tangled. And yeah, maybe because my hair is not heat trained like at all anymore, and it's only been about 2 months since I have combed out my locks, so I don't know, but she's okay. She's working very small sections. What I can say is this back part gets hot as crap. It gets really hot. But other than that, I mean, she did the job. She did the job. I did trim my hair, like I said, as I was doing each section. So this is how much hair had came out while using this. So this is not a lot. This is not a lot. And this is how much hair I trimmed. So it's not too bad. Even when I was detangling in the shower with my deep conditioner and stuff, I didn't lose a lot of hair either. So for the price of $20, she gets the job done. I would probably rate it maybe a 7 out of 10. I really don't know how this flat iron is going to take to my hair, so I feel like I'm going to have so much heat damage for some reason. I don't know, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to film me straightening my hair because it is getting pretty late and I want to have my hair done so I can try to wrap it up and everything. But if you use this, comment down in the comment section about what your experience was while using it, and if you had used the Revlon One Step one, which is like a bigger version of this but made by Revlon. If you use both of them, comment down in the comment section about which one that you prefer out. But other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already. Don't forget to check me out on all social media platforms and follow me if you haven't. Like I said, I'll link this down below in my Amazon storefront if you still want to purchase it, and you should check out my Amazon storefront. I do have a lot of cool things on there. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.